My name's Andrea and I'm going to show you how to use these 4D eyebrow tattoo transfers. I have alopecia. I've lost my hair on my eyebrows and I'm always looking for new products to make them look the most realistic. These are amazing and they're perfect for anybody struggling with hair loss, as it'll give the flattest, cleanest transfer possible. The way I prep my brows before I put them on is I wipe it with some rubbing alcohol just to get rid of any oils or residue so the tattoo transfer can stick properly. The only downside I can say to these is that they leave a little bit of a shiny film as soon as you pull off the tattoo, but it doesn't last very long. What I do to fix that is I'll use a bit of my eyeshadow powder on top, or you can use a translucent powder and it takes away any of the shine right away. These tattoos usually last me 3 to 4 days, and it cuts down my morning routine so much by just waking up and having fresh brows every morning. This is a really affordable solution to get some realistic, sharp, fine hair strokes in seconds.